Patio cana lilli. Let's see what they look like for spring of 2026. Wrap them up so they don't dry out. That's the best one. Face up, face up, face up. 4 inches deep. Cover it up. Don't have to put too many in here. Just select a few. I'll put this one in here. That's a good one. Over Miracle Grow. I'm all done. $10.25. I don't know if that's got life or not. I got one more box to open. Planted, maybe it'll come to life. That one looks good. That's a good one. Probably the best one I could save. Well, I'm gonna call it a season. Cana lilli.